This video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how you can reset all totals on the XE-A217 register without affecting the programming data. There's one report you can run which will reset all reports. The one downside is it prints out quite a bit of paper because it runs every single report, but it's the only way of resetting the till sales data without affecting the programming. To run the report, mode, line 5 X2Z2, TLNS to enter, line 4 initial reset, and then toggle up to OK and hit TLNS to confirm you're happy to perform the initial reset. The till will now spend a couple of minutes printing out all reports and resetting them back to zero. There is a frustrating amount of paper used, but it will reset everything back to zero. You'll know it's finished, A, because it will stop printing, and the display will change from processing back to the normal screen, and it'll also say initial reset on the very end of the till roll. From this you can then turn or go back to the reg mode to start selling on the register. So there we go, that's the report complete. Initial reset at the bottom of the till roll, and then we can press escape cancel to return to the main screen. For more information on using the XE-A217 and other Sharp cash registers, you can click on any of the video links appearing on screen now. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or you can visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.